Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this look right here. This is a really nice, wearable smoky eye look, and I think it's really, pretty, and you can wear it in parties and in your friend's birthday, or you can wear it in your birthday only. It's not too bold. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, please continue watching. So for this, I need two products. One is the brown eyeshadow, which I'm going to be using from this palette, Wet n Wild palette. It's Rosé in the Air. And second, I'm going to be using the Miss Claire eyeshadow in shade black. So firstly, I've set my eyes with the concealer, the powders, and all of this stuff. So my eyes is ready for makeup. Um, eyeshadows, it's ready, and I'm done with the base and all of that. So I just have to do my eyes and lips, and I'll be done. So starting off with the eyes, so first I'm going to be taking a really fluffy brush, and I'm going to be taking a transition shade, just this transition shade, and I just want to place it in the crease a little high. And yeah. So yeah, same, a little high on the crease and a little higher than the crease, and just circular motion in the outer corner, not corners. Yeah, I have to create a V in the outer corner. Just okay. So yeah, when this is done, I'm going to be taking an orangish brickish kind of a shade. This is the shade right here I'm going to be taking. This is a light, like bricky shade, and yes, so it will be right to go in the crease. This is the color I'm going to be putting in the crease. Oh, it's so pigmented. I love this palette. So yeah, just taking a little bit outside, and this color have to be placed beneath this color, the transition shade, beneath that. Uh, so yeah, this is done. Taking the same color, placing it a bit low. As you go deeper with the color, you have to place it a bit lower than that. Okay, so a bit low, so that the previous color peeks through it. Don't worry if anything goes wrong, because we can fix it. A flat brush, taking this dark brown shade, placing it all the way till the crease, and a bit outer on the edges. So when this is done, when the color has been placed where it has to be placed, taking thin brush, I'm just gonna be doing this way. I'm just gonna be blending everything in a bit higher. Okay, now when it is done, I'm going to be taking this black eyeshadow, taking this on the flat brush, and just you have to place it half the way to the crease, just half the way. And just making it like a wing, in a wing shaped. Just smoking it out. Just place it. Let's smoke. Just want to move a little bit closer so that you can see. You don't have to be perfect at it. Just need to. Okay. Now when this is done, I'm going to be taking the same brush and just blending everything in place. So and you have to blend this black color just half the way. Seamless blending is the key to achieve this look. Okay, so when this is done, I'm gonna take a blending brush and just take this transition shade and this brown eyeshadow, this transition shade and the brown eyeshadow, and just work it all the way up. Work it all the way up. And below as well. Taking the concealer, putting right here and right here and this and this. And this as well. This is the way to get a sharp, edges. So we're gonna blend this out. This is how you can, really so yeah, this is done. I'm gonna be taking the transition shade, this one, and work that upwards. So to just adjust any harsh lines. Taking this, just putting in the outer corners, just to deepen them up a little bit. And just deepening the black color as well. I'll just deepen the black color as well using this brush only, this fluffy brush only. I'm gonna do this. Wow, so good. It just turned out to be really different from what I thought it would be. So yeah, I'll be right back after applying the lashes. So I've applied the lashes. Now I'm gonna apply the blush, and I'm gonna be using the sponge. Yeah, sponge, and just apply the blush. It just looks so flashing. I really like it. So flushy. Really kind of like this flushy look. It's really difficult, work with powders. The sponge, like, it's really difficult. Yeah, it's done. So I'll apply this nude lipstick, Touch of Spice, Maybelline Touch of Spice, and this is how the look has turned out. I think it's really pretty. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. It's so cute. I really like the look. And with that, my video completes. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.